So today I am at Lowe's shopping for garden supplies, greenhouse supplies, vegetable supplies, you name it. Also, I'm going to be repairing a wall in my house. There's a big hole, and here are my supplies. Garden bags, because I got to clean up my yard. Spackling to fix the hole in my wall. Screwdrivers, because I have to take care of something that's on the outside of my house. And here is the soil at Lowe's that is 5 for $10. The sale ends on 4/8/26. Get your soil today. I'm getting ready to do that myself. While I was looking for my soil, I picked up mulch. Mulch was on sale too, 5 for $10. This is in the back of my car. So I have 15 bags of items to take out. That's a lot of work. But guess what? I can do it. My car is unloaded. And I got a bonus bag of flower and vegetable garden soil. Instead of 5 bags, I got 6. Thank you, Jesus. Now, if only the young man would come and put up my greenhouse cover, I can get started. I'm ready to go. Still yet gotta get my edges trimmed so that the cover can get put on. Some of it needs to be fixed. It's a little loose. As you can see, it's wobbly. These ends need to be trimmed. This metal bar needs to come off. And my greenhouse will be ready. Yes, the top of that is a little funky looking, but guess what? That doesn't matter. Once you get the cover on it, you won't even see that. Then once the cover is ready to go, all I have to do is get in, prime all of my soil. As you can see, I'm going to take some of the old soil out, put my new soil in. That bucket over there has a lot of rainwater in it, so I'm going to use the rainwater to help moisten the new soil that's right there. And I still need to get my Epsom salt. And y'all, I will be ready to go. I am truly excited. I still got yard work. That's what that mulch is for. As you can see, this is where the mulch will go, right here. I got to clean all that up. Just do a little bit of raking, trimming, and then it'll be good as new. All right, see you in the next video.